On to other local news, Cycling Tour 2014, Volunteering to Make a Difference. A project initiated by the United Nations Volunteers Program in Sri Lanka was launched in Colombo today. News First is the media partner for the tour. The cycling tour is supported by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Skills Development, the Ministry of Social Services, UN agencies, volunteer-involving organizations, youth-led organizations and News First will contribute to the advocacy efforts to strengthen youth volunteering for peace and development in Sri Lanka.
This cycling tour would have not been possible without the active support that we have received from our partners and supporters. We are really happy of the outcome of this partnership, and it's a testimony of how volunteerism can be a way to address so many cross-cutting issues concerning sustainable development. And we really hope that this will be a first activity, but certainly not the last of this kind.
A group of 20 volunteers will be cycling for 2 weeks starting from Adavachia, leading through several locations including Anuradhapura in the North Central Province, Putlam in the Northwestern Province and end in Colombo on the West Coast on the 5th of December with the celebration of International Volunteer Day.